Hi, so now I'm making a really easy recipe. One of my favorites is salmon with a bit of a marinade. And salmon, I've got a piece like this. I buy it from Ocado when they've got specials. So it was like £10 for this massive piece, and it probably feeds 5 people quite easily. Well, 4 if you count my kids, because they just eat salmon in one go. The entire fish, they can literally eat it. So what I do, I just take a bit of lemon and I squeeze it out with the pips. I don't have time to pick them out because I only have like 5 minutes to put it together. I then take some whole grain mustard, okay, and you take like, I don't know, like a teaspoon or a spoon of it, maybe a bit more. Okay, you mix it up like this. You then take a bit of soy sauce, which actually I'm running very low on. So empty out soy sauce, okay? And the best thing in the salmon is honey. So take a spoon of honey and you mix it all up. So half a lemon, spoon of honey, spoon of grain mustard, mix it all up, soy sauce, and that's it really. There's nothing else to it. And you see, you make it up, you make it like a little paste, and you spread it all over salmon. What I also then do is I take, because I love garlic, and fresh garlic is just way too strong. So I take garlic and I just stick it in there, the whole cloves. I don't even peel them. I literally just put them in, okay? Because then once they baked, it's quite nice like this. You see a hole? So I put them in here. Just lifting this up so you can see. So there is salmon with a bit of a marinade and pieces of garlic. And what I also did is I boiled sweet potatoes just for like, put in the boiling hot water for literally 3 minutes. And potatoes are done. Well, they're still raw. I mean, I won't eat them. But then what I'll do is I'll transfer them in with my salmon. Yeah, so I just chop them up. Like, took me like not even a minute. And I'll put them with the salmon, also with the marinade all together. And I leave it for like a couple of hours. So before I go on a school run, I'll then pop in the oven and I get back and dinner is ready. Look, I'm finished. Took me 2 minutes. Okay, that's it. That's how simple it is. It took me another 2 minutes to chop potatoes. Fair enough. And then it boiled it. I didn't boil it. The pot boiled it. So it's done. 2 minutes and it's delicious, healthy dinner. Thumbs up if you like it. Bye.